Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. All right, this is my payment for the month of November. Can you say it's 14 million? It's from Grey App. Grey App is the app used to withdraw from Google AdMob. All right, this is for the month of what, October. This is for the month of what, July. See, payment boku is plenty. It's plenty. You might not ask, what's Google AdMob, sir? How are you able to make over $100, sir? You might not ask, I have an app on Play Store. I'm not anything like you, sir. You might not ask, sir, okay, whenever I do this AdMob of a thing, I usually get banned. How can I go with this? You might be asking many questions in your head. All right, what's this all about? Is it referral base? Is it legit? You may have many questions in your head. I want to just give me maximum of 5 minutes of your time. Let's clarify this. Let's break it down to the lowest form. All right. So already I've showed you guys my proof of payment. You can also, this one for the month of July. This for the month of what, October, November. Can you say it? So you might not ask what's Google AdMob. Let me now break it down for you. So look at it from here. Can you see it? Google AdMob, it's a way for, look at it, it makes easy for developers to earn money from the mobile app, which means for you to earn money from this Google AdMob, you need to have an app. An app is now what will now give a criteria for you to earn monthly from Google AdMob. Google will pay you for a lifetime by you owning an app. All right, that's first point. Number 2 point, you now ask, okay, sir, how does someone now make money from this? All right. Oftentimes, you open an app, you see advertisements in the app. The person that owns the app earns money from it. All right. Google will sell them. Similarly, you have an app, link it with them. They'll provide advertisement to your app. All right. As you're opening, closing, all those stuffs gives you money in your account. This is like a breakdown of it. So you can see it here. Ads are created and paid for by advertisers who want to promote their products to app users. Can you see? Can you see? All right. So there are different kind of app, like advertisement, the sizes in your app. They have the rewarded, which is 30, all those 30, 50 and 15 minutes 50 seconds video advertisement, 30 seconds advertisement. These are rewarded. Native, it's natural in your app. Banner is rectangular. Terrestrial are videos too, just like rewarded. You understand? So this is it here. This is it here. This is like a breakdown of this. And I have some apps, all right, up for sale in case you want to buy. My link is below. Chat me up. So look at the apps I have up for sale. First, I have a puzzle app. All right, it's very clean. It's very easy. All right, look at, you choose a character and then you play with it. This first one, you go to the first one. So look at another app again to offer. So I have this is just like Jumia. It's off for sale in case you want to buy. You know, this is it here. All right. In case you want to purchase it, this is how it looks like. This too. This is like all these it's just like COD. All right. It gives massive money from it. Click on the tap. Okay. You click on this. All right. Click on it. Then you move it to here. Alright, move it to that one. Then it loads up. Click on OK. Complete.
Shots!
It's very sweet. It's a very easy. This number 3 is like an alphabet app. Alright. Look at this ad. Assuming this app is linked to your account, this stuff will be giving you money in your own personal account. Alright, this is like look at up for sale too. Alright, up for sale. Very easy, very straightforward. Up for sale. Can learn shapes with this. Ads are loading. Assuming it's a real ad, we have seen those video clicks. Money to your account straight up. You have another one. This is an e-book app here too. It's for ebook. Alright. So I have many apps all for sale. Game, video downloader, there are plenty. Alright. So if you want to be among people that will cash out for December, my link is below. Chat me, okay? Alright guys, thank you for your time. See my next video. Bye bye. And then if you want to buy the if you want the anti-ban app, in case you have an app on Play Store, but the earnings are low. And one thing you need to know is that advertisements, all of them doesn't give the same amount of money. The one from advanced countries give you high earning compared to the one from your country. Understand? So if you want an anti-ban app that will not allow you to get banned, all right, this is it here. This is my anti-ban app here. It's all for sale. This is it here. Here you just have to like impute your banner code here, interstellar code here, rewarded visual code here. Click on next. How many clicks is automated? Click on OK. All right. So if you want to know more, my link is below. Chat me up. Thank you and goodbye.